Refer to your lab notebook and make enough. 10% TSA for at least 7 plates. While TSA is in the incubator, label all Petri dishes with your initials, date, and 10% TSA. Then label one with UD, one with 110, one with 1:100, and the last one with 1:1000. With the remaining 3 plates, create a grid of 20 for one and a grid of 12 for the other 2. These will be your patch plates. Pour your plates, making sure your patch plates are thick. Using ethanol to clean your gloves and spoon. Collect a soil sample and store it in a conical vial. Label 4 Eppendorf tubes the same way you labeled the plates. UD 110, 1 o'clock, 1:100. Distribute 1,000 microliters of PBS into the UD Eppendorf tube and 900 microliters into the remaining 3. Weigh out 0.2 grams of soil and add to the UD tube. Vortex for 30 seconds. Centrifuge for 5 seconds. Take 100 microliters from the top of the UD tube and add to the 110 tube. Vortex for 30 seconds. Take 100 microliters from the 110 tube and add to the 1:100 tube. Vortex for 30 seconds. Take 100 microliters from the 1:100 tube and add to the 1:1000 tube. Vortex for 30 seconds. Take 100 microliters from the UD tube and put it on the UD plate, using a sterile inoculating loop to create a lawn. Repeat for all 4 plates using the corresponding Eppendorf tube. Let plates sit upright for 20 minutes before placing them in the incubator at 32 degrees Celsius overnight. Circle 20 different bacteria colonies and number them. Look for colonies that have diverse morphology and are away from other bacteria. Using sterile toothpicks, pick up a little bit of the bacterial colony and place it on the corresponding square of the 20 grid. Repeat for all squares. Place in the incubator overnight. Pick the best 12 colonies and repeat the process of taking a colony from the 20 grid plate and putting it on the corresponding box of the 12 grid plate. Place in the incubator overnight. Repeat the process with the blank 12-grid plate. Label the 12-grid plate you took from as working plate and the new 12-grid plate as master plate. Once colonies have grown on both 12-grid plates, wrap with parafilm and store in the fridge.